Kwame Katigruok maweche dho wath kara Maritime County Mombasa bang' jopuonjre ma kono kuno somo kagiyuak kaka tend Katigruok no tayogi. Jopuonjre go ne ogoyo kambi dho rangach ma Katigruok kagiramo ni ok gibidok e klas nyaka winj ywakgi. Ne ochuno obila mondo ochop kanyo mar geng'o tulo mane nyalo muoch e kindeno. Katigruok ma Bandari ni kod jopuonjre maromo 800 ma jotiegruok e lony mopogore opogore motenore gi weche mag nam.
There is a very poor management in the academy whereby some of the lecturers are not being paid. So you find it becomes a challenge to even to our syllabus, hatufundishi kule madarasani. And the other challenges we're also having, we used to have a revolving fund that was there, but since we had a new CEO in the academy, the revolving fund came to an end. So we don't understand what exactly is happening at the academy.
We don't understand why we are paying so much school fees, been given very smart uniforms, but we don't see results. Yes. Yani, the school is just putting on public a good PR, lakini kwa ground kwa tunaendelea.
Kwa fee structure tumeandikiwa tunalipa school fees kuanzia term 1, term 2, term 3. Na tukiangalia term 1, most of us watu tunakuwa attachment. So tunapata kwa fee structure bado inatuandikia kwa tunalipa. So hiyo kitu ndo tunataka shule ituambie kwa nini tunalipa school fees na ili hali hatuko shule.
Tunataka accountability. Tunataka tuambiwe venye pesa yetu inatumika. Tunataka tuone venye ukilipa pesa unaona imeenda kwa project fulani na fulani.
We would have preferred BMA under KPA and not this new administration. Katana is not working for us.